Assembly bypoll witnessed violence, stone pelting and clashes with a lot of political wrangling as well. Many videos of the Hamirpur clashes have gone viral on social media, with the Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav accusing the police of deliberately intimidating and blocking Muslim voters. One video which particularly generated a lot of conversation was one where a policeman was seen holding a pistol while engaging in a verbal altercation with a veiled woman. Now, tweeting this particular video, Akhilesh Yadav sought action against the police. He said that there should be EC action against the cop and called it an attempt to intimidate the voters. Take a look at this 28-second video. This has been tweeted by Akhilesh Yadav, where the women are seen standing in front of a police officer. They are heard asking the police to not fire bullets, and the cop is heard telling that they have no right to resort to any stone pelting. Watch the 28-second video tweeted by Akhilesh Yadav.
यही तो मारने के हैं आदेश, यही तो मारने का आदेश है, यही तो मारने का आदेश है। चलो चलो यही तो मारने के हैं आदेश, यही तो मारने का आदेश है, यही तो मारने का आदेश है। चलो चलो
Meanwhile, the SSP of Muzaffarnagar, Abhishek Singh, has made it clear that an incomplete video is deliberately being circulated. He added that the police reached the spot after they got reports that a fight broke out between two groups. The police officer also added that the crowd tried to block the road. They pelted stones on the police personnel and even pushed women on the forefront when the police were trying to control the situation. Here's what the police official's version is.
ये वीडियो आधी है और इसको एक साजिश के तहत वायरल किया जा रहा है। पूर्ण सत्य ये है कि ककरौली कस्बे में एक ये सूचना आई थी कि दो पक्षों के बीच में झड़प हो गई है। जब पुलिस वहां पर मौके पे पहुंची तो वहां पे लोगों ने रोड जाम करने का पहले प्रयास किया और फिर जब पुलिस ने उनको वहां से हटाया तो लोगों ने पुलिस के ऊपर पथराव कर दिया, जिसके बाद पुलिस ने सूक्ष्म बल प्रयोग करके स्थिति को नियंत्रण में किया। परंतु जब ये वीडियो बनाई गई है तो उस समय उपद्रवी वहां से भाग गए थे, उन्होंने महिलाओं को आगे कर दिया था। इसलिए पूर्ण सत्य ये है कि पुलिस द्वारा वहां पर नियमों का पालन करते हुए चुनाव के दिन कानून व्यवस्था की स्थिति को सामान्य रखने के लिए पूर्ण कार्रवाई की है। इस प्रकरण में जिनके द्वारा भी पथराव किया गया है या उपद्रव किया गया था, उनके विरुद्ध FIR पंजीकृत कर कठोर वैधानिक कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
Meanwhile, as the police countered Akhilesh Yadav's allegations, the BJP has also written to the Chief Electoral Officer of Uttar Pradesh, alleging that voters were brought into the Hamirpur Assembly constituency, fake IDs were given to them, and that they were deliberately put up in mosques, madrasas and lodges. The BJP has also claimed that women in Wales were being allowed to vote without checking their identity and taking advantage of this. In fact, there are several videos as well that they have spoken out. The allegations have been made by the leaders of the BJP. But after the police came out and countered Akhilesh Yadav's allegations of the police officials threatening the voters in the bypolls, Akhilesh has now tweeted a picture. This is of a police officer on the spot who is holding a brick in his hand. He posted this picture and added that cruel rulers have brought the country to such a situation that protectors are now holding stones in their hands. His uncle and senior SP leader Ram Gopal Yadav has said that bypolls of Hamirpur and several others were cancelled and should be cancelled and re-elections must be held. He in fact also claimed that Muslim voters were blocked and threatened at gunpoint and added that re-elections must be held under the supervision of the paramilitary forces. Let's take this across to my colleague Adib, who's joining us on the broadcast with the details. Adib, the entire controversy started with a video that was tweeted by Akhilesh Yadav that shows the police officials pointing towards the women, but the police officials have a completely different version of what actually happened. Take us through the details.
Well, Pratibha, see, first Akhilesh Yadav posted a video on his social media account in which it can be seen that a police officer who is an SHO, the inspector rank officer, he has a baton in his left hand and a service pistol on his right hand, and he's training that towards a group of people. But when Akhilesh Yadav posted that video, it sparked a controversy, and Akhilesh Yadav is saying that the police officer is trying to threaten the voters of a special community so that they cannot cast vote in favor of the Samajwadi Party. But Muzaffarnagar police has refuted the claims made by the former chief minister, and the Muzaffarnagar police is saying that the inspector was in fact trying to control the unruly mob that were involved in the case of stone pelting. Before this video went viral, there was an altercation between between a group of people, and that altercation snowballed, and there were reports of stone pelting in Mirapur constituency, which was a poll-bound constituency in Muzaffarnagar. So to control that mob, police had to use the force. Police used the force to disperse the mob, and at that point of time, someone recorded that video, which was shared by Akhilesh Yadav, claiming that the police is trying to threaten the voters. But the Muzaffarnagar police, the SSP of Muzaffarnagar, has refuted the claims. They are saying that the SHO was only trying to control the unruly mob that were charging at the police force on duty at that particular time.
Okay, all right. Thank you for joining us with those details. Remember, the Samajwadi Party, even before the elections, had also claimed that several Muslim